take care of my garden when I'm not here.
Don't worry. Trust me.
Pray to God that all is well.
The seeds. Sow the seeds.
Oh no, the water has run out. No problem. I'll try another way.
How to build a tri-flow pump. Install the impeller. Install the pipe. Install the gears. Add an engine. Install the case. Install flow channels. Assemble. Connect the water pipe.
Yoo-hoo! My tri-flow pump is running.
Water the plants.
It's time to provide nutrients for the plants.
Oh yeah!
Done with the feeding, time for the watering.
Water the plants.
I have a plentiful harvest.
The boss is sure to be pleased with these beautiful tomatoes.
Oh my god, why is this tomato so huge? Oh no, the boss is home.
Don't worry. The larger the tomatoes, the higher the revenue.
Goodbye.